How do we define an advanced technology? A technology which strengthens our efficiency and effectiveness for better outcome. The one which makes us precise, accurate, and is also cost effective. This is exactly what Taiki-Sha impresses in its each venture. Hence, 6 years ago, Taiki-Sha developed and patented a revolutionary painting system which has exemplified Taiki-Sha's journey so far. Welcome to the launch of iESTa. Let's have a look at the factors that make iESTa a better painting technique. As you can see, in the old electrostatic painting technique, the other side of the round surface of exhaust muffler does not get fully painted, whereas in iESTa technique, the other side of the exhaust muffler gets evenly painted. One of the shortfalls of the old electrostatic painting technique has been its inability to paint the non-conductive component without using a conductive primer. Like here, the axle consists of both metal and rubber parts. iESTa technique directly paints the non-conductive component because it uses the low resistance paint, which renders the non-conductive component into a semiconductor-like, thus making the painting process of both possible in one go. iESTa technology excels at throw and penetrability of paint, thus resulting in superior painting quality than the old electrostatic painting technique. It is a smart technology which makes the painting process precise and accurate for objects like the manifold. In the old electrostatic technique, the corona pin is exposed and the electric field gets concentrated. These lines of force concentrate on convex portions. The charged paint particles move along the lines of electric force and they get more sprayed on convex portions compared to the concave portions of the object being painted. In the iESTa technique, there is no corona pin and the concentration of electric field is alleviated, thereby making concentration of lines of electric force relaxed. This results in easing of concentration of paint on convex portion and paint spreads evenly into the concave portions as well. To understand this feature of iESTa better, let's use an example. If the distance is 1 meter between two electric charges of 1 coulomb each, which is the object and the painting gun, then the force of attraction will be equal to 900,000 tons. And if this distance is reduced, there will be extremely higher electrostatic attraction. Looking at it broadly, the merits are: in the old electrostatic system, huge quantum of negatively charged paint particles and ionized air were being released from the corona discharge, and electrons were not only flying towards the component being painted but also towards all low potential objects, making it a shock-prone environment for workers. But working with the new iESTa painting system, there is no possibility of sparks near the component being coated, thus making it safer to work. The old electrostatic painting uses high resistance paint which could not achieve required quality of painting. Whereas with better spread and penetrability, iESTa ensures painting in every corner of complex shapes or round surfaces like truck axle part, which can be as heavy as 400 kg and has portions which are hard to paint because of complex surface shape. The old electrostatic painting required conductive primer for resin parts, was a lengthier process. But with iESTa, a conductive primer is not required, which leads to reducing spray time to half and the volume of paint gets reduced by 35%. iESTa technique uniformly carries out painting on convex as well as concave portions by bringing the electrically charged paint particles that are in flight due to the airflow or the inertial flow close to the object being painted without generating a microelectric field, as the object being painted will capture the paint particles like the magnet chips if you bring the paint particles close to the object that you want to paint. iESTa was basically invented for painting non-conductive parts because the old electrostatic technique demanded more efforts and time, thereby increasing the final cost of the product. By using the smart technology of iESTa, we accomplish seamless painting in no time at a productive cost. Also, overspray is not a problem with iESTa as the spray vanishes swiftly. With this, I conclude that the most essential thing for us is to give back to the nature because progress becomes meaningful when we strengthen our bond with nature.